So you want to export PDF from your Google Sheets and you just don't know how to do it. I've been searching for this for the past 3 hours and I will show you the way to do it. It's not perfect, but it's good. So the crazy thing is you can do this via a Google document, which is not in make.com anyways. It is the Google document, the blue one, not the Google Sheets or the Google Drive, which what I would think is the way to do it, right? So let me show you a few ways that I found and the way that actually works. So here we go. Welcome to my channel, by the way. This is Adrian at Time Hackers Lab, where we value your most valuable asset, which is time. And all right, let's see. So here, guys, I've been searching, and by the way, if you go to Google Sheets API overview, you search for PDF, there's nothing. You search for export, there's nothing. You search for download, there's nothing. It's stupid. Like, this is such an obvious thing, but maybe it's just such a simple thing, so no one is talking about it. As you can see, yeah. So conditional formatting, update, create. It doesn't say like download or uh, like export a PDF, you know. Export. Yeah, so it's app script. It's print to PDF, does not capture. Anyways, it becomes too complicated. And here, one person said something helpful. They said you can actually call the URL. So basically, what they're implying is you can go run an HTTP module. You put the spreadsheet ID and the what is it called? Let's clone this for beginning. 1 second. So we can just call the HTTP request. Just go to that link if it's open to view, and then we just get the file, right? And then you can take the file and have it, for example, as a file type. Let's just say CSV, and it basically works for CSV. I didn't see it work for other things, so let's just run this. I'm gonna connect this. File name is gonna be sheet name, and data is gonna be data. All right, so let's see if this works. All right, and I'm gonna delete this just to show you how it works. So we're gonna run this. Oh, okay, we need to put sheet name, file type, and spreadsheet ID. So let's see if everything works. Dot file type. Okay, so now we should be going to that link, which is basically you put your spreadsheet ID, etc., and then you get the file. So yeah, a spreadsheet ID, and then you use this link, and with the output, you say what you want to get, right? And let's see. All right. So here, if we open this, it's actually a CSV file, and it works. You know, you have some stuff there, and anyways, that's one way. It's not the perfect way, so let's look at a few other ways, because I don't want that. And if you put PDF here, so let's say file type, I put PDF, and I run this. So now it should give a PDF file, right? But it's usually corrupted. It doesn't give you the right file. So let's look at this. Yeah, so it's not working. All right. So what can we do? Another thing I was thinking was download the file with the download file module, and then you're gonna go and convert this and then upload it to yeah, because when you download the file and it's a Google Sheet, it becomes a XLSX. So if you run this, this is gonna download the file, which is gonna be an XLSX, which is not what I want, and then it gives that to let's say converter, which takes an XLSX to PDF, and then you get a file in your folder. So we should have file soon. There you go. This is the file. So here you can see it's giving us a huge file. And another problem I see here is, do you see on the dates? it's not showing the actual date. It just shows this one. It's either too small of a column so that it doesn't show, which is weird. But so yeah, it's not perfect. This conversion stuff doesn't work. It doesn't work as I want it to. Which leaves us for the actual solution, which is gonna be you download it with a Google document. And I saw this on YouTube from another guy. So basically, this one allows you to download it as PDF, which is crazy, right? It literally allows you to download it as PDF. So what you do is you hide everything else that you don't want to download. So you hide it, and then you go here. You just click. Basically, you run this. You put the file document ID. So for me, this would be spreadsheet ID, right? And then you just upload it to your Google Drive. So if we run this, now we should get the best PDF file, and it should be almost flawless. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Exactly the way it should be. I hope you enjoyed this video. The guy who helped me with this was, I'm gonna give a shout out to his channel.
Citizen, I can live in Poland without...
This is the guy. TechFlow AI. Thank you, TechFlow AI. I hope to see more of you. And yeah, guys, watch this other video if you haven't, and see you there. Bye.